Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and today's video is on the quick tip on I went to the dollar and a quarter store to buy. I wanted to buy hummingbird feeder, and I wanted to buy some solar lights. And I saw this solar light. I know that T-Nog, Ron's Garden, had one like this, and I thought that was really cool. So I'm gonna put that along the my walkway, and then I use this tub for, like, in the sink when I'm washing my. I'm probably gonna try to get a bigger one, but for, like, if I'm outside gardening and I want to rinse something off quick, I can use that, and then use it inside as well. The tip is they didn't have any of these. They had no bird feeder, they had no solar lights, and they had no wash tubs at the store itself. Now, if you go to the website, it used to be that if you went to the website, you would have to buy, like, bulk, like 30, 40 of the items. Well, they now have on the website that you can have shipped to your house. They have the low, the small amounts sales that'll ship right to your house. So I got four of these, and I got like five of these, and 10 of these, and five of these tubs that I'm going to use for different chores around the house. So yeah, so I didn't have to buy in 50 of each item. I just bought whatever amount, the minimum amount. Sometimes it'll be they'll let you buy like 10, 5, 10. Sometimes you got to buy 15. It varies. And so if you're unable to find an item that you want, but you don't want a ton of, you can check the website and see if they have. It'll be marked. It'll clearly say, like, ship to home, small quantity, or whatever. And then plus you can also get the item shipped for free to the store. So, like, I have this was just part of my order. The other half of my order is going, because I got a bunch of the plant plastic bell covers for your plants, and I bought like 20 of those. And instead of paying to have it shipped to my house for, I think they wanted like $11 or something like that, the dollar store is like not far from me, so I can just go pick it up for free. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, that's just a quick tip. Any comments, questions in the comment section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.